Alright guys, here's almost finished product, and for not ever welding, not bad. I still got one little crack right there I gotta get sealed up, and one on that side, but for not ever welding aluminum, I'm assuming I did okay at least. Yeah, I see that crack there too. I'm gonna have to redo that, but I'm guessing it's okay. I don't know. I stay pretty straight unless there's a hole. Like there was a big old hole over here. That's why there's still a crack. My fitment didn't fit right. Anyway, here we are.